Hello guys, here we are again. This is how to change your cabin filter on a Mercedes V-Class. Yeah, you first have to take off this plastic cover which holds in 3 bolts. Then you have to take off these 2 bolts, which is the fuses box. You can use a screwdriver, Torx, or whatever is better for you. Yeah, so from here as well, but you don't have to. And then up here we got the box, and it's staying on. Says this, you have to twist it on both sides. I don't know if you can see it very properly, but I will show it to you once it's off. See, now filter is off. You can have an idea how the old one is and how the new one is. Obviously the new one is clean and nice. Just make sure when you take it off, you got this side which got 2 holes. They always go upside, yeah. And what I told you about the box, it's got this plastic cover, you see, and you just have to twist this. This is position close and this is position open, and once you have it open, just pull it down and here goes the filter.